in just a moment today's video. But first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We are inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, compliments of our intuitive arts and self-growth school, Zen Ed Academy, where we feature a huge catalog of courses and certifications to help you constantly improve yourself in your self-growth and as an intuitive arts professional. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to today's video. Today's topic is surrounding yourself with love. Okay, that sounds kind of like, sounds a little poofy. I feel like fairies should be flying up right now. Maybe they are, I don't know. One of the easiest and nicest gifts you can give to yourself is surrounding yourself with loving and kind people whenever possible. And I know it's not always possible, but I think you know what I mean, right? We feel good when we're around people that also feel good and make us feel good. It's a happy little... In our everyday life, we are surrounded by a variety of people. Some of the people we deal with on a daily basis are a joy to be with. They're just wonderful. And their warm, yummy, lovingness nature kind of nurtures us and encourages us. Others may have the opposite effect, right? Draining us because they are just way too extra. Bottom line is, our well-being can be easily influenced by those people around us, no question. And if we can keep this in mind, we will have greater insights into the quality of our social interactions and their energetic effect on us. Thinking deeply about people we interact with, it becomes easier for us to work toward filling our lives with people who help us cultivate healthy and positive relationships. Even though it might not always seem like we have control over who we are around and who we are with, we do at the end of the day, because the power to step back from toxicity is always within us, whether or not we're actively using it. Take a few moments to think about how another person makes you feel. Just take a moment. Does this person or that person add something constructive to your life or subtract from it? When you are honest about your feelings to yourself, the more easily you can be tactfully candid with others if you need to in the right way. If something needs to be said, right? Sometimes we have to make drastic changes in our social life to bring about a personal transformation that will empower us to live our truth with greater happiness. Bottom line is, that's just the truth. When we surround ourselves with positive people, we clear away the negativity that exists around us, and we create more room to welcome nurturing energy. Doing this not only enriches our lives, but also envelops us in a supportive and healing space that fosters greater growth and understanding and love of ourselves, as well as those we care about. Drop a GIF or a meme, whatever you want, whatever you got. If it's just a hashtag #FeelGoodFam today, I get it. That's all you got. I'm glad at least you're here. Okay? That's okay with me. I love you guys. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge. Compliments of Zen Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and to get professionally certified in your intuitive arts career. Mediumship, tarot, self-growth. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.